Good evening, all. Myself, Smriti M., Department of Mathematics. Today, I would like to present to you some facts about coronavirus disease 19. In short, we called it as COVID 19, which will create a better sense of awareness in the minds of the viewers. First, let us understand what is COVID 19. Severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. In short, we called it as SARS-CoV-2 causes COVID 19. Coronavirus are a large family of virus and can cause us the common cold in humans. It was first identified in people with pneumonia in Wuhan, China in late December 2019. It probably started in animals but is now spreading between people. When COVID 19 is declared as pandemic, the World Health Organization WHO declared the situation a pandemic on 11 March 2020, signifying widespread human to human transmission, large number of affected countries. How COVID 19 spread? Most people are being infected from other people when in close contact. It probably spreads the same way as colds and flu, through droplets which are created when we talk, cough, and sneeze. People in close contact can get infected when these droplets enter the nose, eyes, or mouth, or when the infected droplets are inhaled. Touching contaminated objects puts the droplets onto your hands. If you touch your face, the droplets can enter your nose, eyes, mouth. Infected people with minimal or no symptoms can spread COVID 19. Now, let's see what are the symptoms of COVID 19. Some common symptoms include fever, cough, sore throat, fatigue, shortness of breath. Symptoms start about 1 day after exposure but can be as long as 14 days. Most people develop symptoms within 5 to 6 days. Some other symptoms include headache or muscle aches, sudden loss of sense of smell and taste, runny or stuffy nose, diarrhea, rash. Some people have no symptoms, most have a mild illness. It can be severe and sometimes fatal. How can we diagnose and treatment for COVID 19? COVID 19 symptoms are similar to many other illnesses. Tests are needed to make the diagnosis, like nose or throat swab, blood test. But the fact is that there is no specific treatment. Mild symptoms can be treated at home with medicines to lower the fever or relieve pain. If symptoms are more severe, treatment in hospital is required. How can we prevent COVID 19? In order to reduce the spread of infection, wear a face mask in public. If you have any symptoms, even if only mild, stay home. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water. Use alcohol based hand sanitizer when soap and water are not readily available. Cover your coughs and sneezes. Do not use your hands, instead, use a tissue or your upper sleeve. Immediately throw the tissue in a bin and wash your hands. Avoid touching shared objects like light switches, handrails, etc. as much as possible. If you must touch such objects, wash your hands or use sanitizer promptly afterwards. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces each day, more often if you think they have been contaminated. Do not share foods, drinks, and personal items including mobile phones. Do not travel if you are sick. Now, what are the guidelines of using mask? Wear a mask when in face-to-face contact with others, when social distancing cannot be achieved, if you are in the high-risk groups, within a healthcare facility or other public spaces. Wear a medical mask when coughing or sneezing, when caring for a sick person. But the thing you should remember is that masks alone do not protect. They should be used along with other hygiene measures. Follow the manufacturer's advice for using the mask. How will you avoid potential exposure? Stay home as much as practical, maintain social, physical distance, keep 1-2 meters away from others even if they appear well, avoid crowded places, maintain social distance when greeting visitors, avoid shaking hands, minimize gatherings with friends and families. Now, the most important thing is that how will you prepare yourself and your family? Monitor the situation. Know your local health helpline numbers and be aware of local procedures. Ensure you have access to essentials such as food, water, household supplies, and medicines. Speak to your doctor about any chronic medical conditions you may have and get them under optimal control. Keep in best possible health. Get the recommended amount of sleep each day, eat a healthy diet, and keep up regular physical activity. Consider how will you manage if authorities impose restrictions for a couple of weeks. Plan to be able to look after a sick household member. Get the flu shot. This will reduce the risk of seasonal flu and possible confusion with COVID-19 symptoms. Now, what are the guidelines of traveling? Avoid traveling to affected areas unless necessary. Make sure you have all necessary vaccination and travel medication. Seek advice from your healthcare provider. Do not travel if you have fever and cough. If you become sick while traveling, seek medical care immediately. What to do if you are sick? Stay home if you have mild symptoms. Do not go to work. Minimize contact with people in the household until you have recovered. Monitor your condition. Follow local guidelines for self-isolation. Cover your coughs and sneezes. Use a tissue or a mask. Seek medical attention if symptoms worsen. Make an appointment. Wear a mask in case you need to visit a doctor. Use private transport as much as possible. The most important thing to stop the spread of COVID-19 is the screening and contact tracing. Screening means it may be done at entry points to detect sick people. You may be asked where you have been and your temperature may be taken. And on the other hand, contact tracing means health authorities may perform this procedure, identifying people who have been in contact with someone with COVID-19. These contacts may be asked to stay at home for 14 days so that they don't infect the other people, to monitor their health for 14 days in case they develop symptoms. Follow the advice of health authorities. How will you cope up with stress during the COVID-19 outbreak? COVID-19 can be stressful. The effect can be both physical and emotional. Things you should do to reduce the stress: take breaks from listening to, watching or reading about COVID-19 frequently, including social media. Focus on the facts of COVID-19 and understand the risks to yourself and those who care about. separate facts from rumors, gather information from reliable resources, find time to unwind, connect with friends and families. If stress continues to hamper your daily activities, talk to a doctor or someone you can trust. Now, before leaving the home, you should remember the W's. Three W's means first, wear a cloth face covering mask. Second, wait 6 feet apart, avoid close contact. Third, wash your hands often or use hand sanitizer. This virus can be break, only you can break the chain. So, stay at home and break the chain. How can we forget about the COVID-19 frontline warriors? A few lines for these warriors. From our family to yours and to the sacrifice you are all making sincerely. Thank you for being on the front line during this scary time. A big salute to Corona warriors. At last, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.